everyone, we are back with another travel video today, and we are going to Ooty. Yeah, this is the season. Actually, we have to visit Ooty, and in the summer you experience that chilly weather of Ooty. Actually, today we started from Mysore around 3:15 in the afternoon, and yeah, now it's almost 4:30, and we are in Gundlupet right now, and I will be showing you the route through the forest of Bandipur, and in the Karnataka side it's called as Bandipur, and the Tamil Nadu side is called as Mudumalai. And today night and the evening, basically we are going to the forest guest house in the middle of the forest. It is called Abhayaranyam forest guest house, and we are going to stay there today overnight and feel that forest environment. I think it will be good, and I'll show you that forest route and that video in some time. Okay, yeah. Yeah, as promised, now we have reached the entrance of Bandipur Tiger Reserve forest. You can see here we are entering. Actually, this road closes at 6 p.m. and opens at next morning 6 a.m. See, the entire the feel has changed. If you see around, you can see only greenery from here. There is also tiger safari and all available here if you want to explore this place as well. But we are just going, and see, you can see a lot of deer just on the roadside. See, they are in hundreds. Yeah, this is the feel. Woo! Be careful while driving. It's a narrow road, forest road. You'll get a lot of vehicles from the front, and you may have animals crossing the road. Please do not litter, do not stop, do not feed the animals. Okay, just enjoy, just have a slow drive and just enjoy the route. That's what I would suggest, and that is the guidelines from even the forest office. We just spotted a lot of deer on the roadside. Let's see what else we can see today. Now we reached the forest office and reception area of the Bandipur side. If you want to go for safari, you can park your vehicles here and you can go for safari. Otherwise, if you want to book stay, I think you need to book it here. I think the herd of deer are a common sight in this route. We have seen a lot of herds actually on the left, right. I'll show you. I'm not sure you are able to see, it's far away. And another herd I'll show you in a moment. Just now I was saying that. I also spotted a peacock. I'll show you. Just crossing the road. Yeah. On the road. Wow. You can spot the peacock just so close. We spotted a lot of deer herds, and now peacock. What else today for our luck? See the beauty. We can spot them here and there. Another peacock for our luck. Wow. See that. Just don't stop, but you can enjoy. Wow. For our luck, Gajaraja is just inside the road. The elephant. The herd of elephants. These are small elephants. I'll take a small risk. Yeah. They are just grazing on the side of the road. See, there is also a baby elephant in that group. If you can see that. Wow. It's a different variety of peacock I have spotted just now. So this is the border of Karnataka. Now we are entering into the Tamil Nadu territory. You can see the board as well, and another peacock welcoming us to Tamil Nadu and saying bye bye to Karnataka. Yes. ಇದು ಅಭಯಾರಣ್ಯಂ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್?
ಅದು 4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ போயிட்டு ರೈಟ್ போணும், ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮನೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್.
ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಾಟಲ್ ಸರ್.
So this is the forest office reception at the Mudumalai side. If you want to go for safari and all, you have to take a ticket here. Hi, so we are in Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Stay. So we are at the reception center. It's around 5 kilometers behind our actual guest house, and we have to report here and get the confirmation slip from here. Okay, yeah, this is the confirmation slip I got. So if you directly go there, you may face the problem. The map will show the direct route of Abhayaranyam, but you have to report here and get this confirmation slip. And see this beauty. Actually, you can see a lot of flowers. You can see that, you know, beauty. I cannot explain the beauty. You can just experience it. Now let's go to the guest house and check out how is it. I think it will be a wonderful evening and wonderful night for us today. So this route goes to Masinagudi and Ooty, so which we need to take tomorrow. We just came to this road to enjoy the beauty of these flowers. Hello. Right now we reached the exact location, Abhayaranyam guest house. So what you see behind me, this is one cottage, and on the other hand side, what you see over there is the other one. We have taken room in that cottage, rest house 1, and I'll show you the room in a bit. But before that, I'll just show you how is the exterior, how is the outside environment in this guest house. See, if you just come out and see, right, it's a wonderful sight to the eye, and all around you have a great forest, and see even the sunset and sunrise view will be so wonderful. You can see the sun is setting, and I'm not sure, and there is also a what is that, watchtower for the night view, just in front of the guest house, in case any animals, something comes out, right, we can sit in the watchtower and enjoy that night view also if you want, and also in the early morning. It seems like it's gonna rain today. Yeah. Actually, we have a very good view from the top of watchtower, and you can hear the nice chirping of birds all over.
GoPro stop it.
Okay, let me take you through the guest house tour now. And this is called Abhyaranyam, and you can see in the board. And this was constructed in 1958. It's a very old guest house, but well maintained. Yeah, let's go in. So this is the lobby area, guys. We have two guest rooms inside this available for booking. So for each we have table and chairs separately for your lobby, and we are in Woodpecker. Yes, let's get in. Yeah. This is actually a government guest house, forest department guest house, and we have everything very decently. We have a well clean, well maintained bed sheets, rugs, and it's a very decently maintained, I can say. We have all the meshes, mosquito meshes for the windows. You have a table, mirror, every basic amenity is available. Even the clock is not running. We have one more dressing room separately, which is not available in most of the stays. This is there. You have a separate dressing table and mirror. You have wardrobe, wooden wardrobes, and even in the big wardrobe in our bedroom. And also this is access to the dining area, and this is the washroom, the big washroom. Even though it's not so much, you cannot expect like hotel stay and all, but it is decently maintained, I can say.